Oh, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janelle. Thank you for tuning in. Today, I am going to bring you my updated wash and go routine. Let me tell you, it's way too hot to last an hour trying to style your hair in the summer. So with this summer edition, I promise you that you can get your wash and go done in at least less than 12 minutes. I said 12 because I did it under 12 and I have a lot of hair. My hair is super thick and I was able to achieve these bomb results. So if you're interested in knowing what my new routine is, make sure to keep watching. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell right next to it so that you are notified as soon as I create a new video. Keep watching. Now that you saw me style one section, I can talk through the others and give you some tips I found works. Water is key. Soaking your hair with water means you are using less styling products. Using less styling products means less product buildup, since you can feel how much product is too much product when you're applying it to your hair. Now, if you have low porosity hair like me, your hair thrives with water. Which reminds me, have you ever styled your hair in the shower? I have, and my results have been amazing. I didn't film it, but I can. So if you want to see that, definitely let me know in the comments. Now, as far as styling goes for this wash and go, I used only these two styling products because a little goes a long way, and this gel gives me amazing hold. Hold that is needed for an amazing wash and go in the summertime. Now, if you want to make styling go by faster, you can also combine both styling products in your hands before applying it to your hair. But keep in mind how much product you are using. If your hair is wet, I suggest starting with a small amount and then building up if your hair needs it. If you notice, I am wetting my hair and using the wet detangler brush before applying products to my hair. And that's because the brush helps define my curls, so I don't have to keep using the brush after applying the styler. I do use the brush at my ends to curl them since I love the coils that it gives me, but that's it. I like this brush because it doesn't give me as much shrinkage as the Denman brush does. Now before my cut, I actually used this same technique, but I only used my fingers. Now, if I want my natural curl pattern to pop, I only use my fingers. But if I want tighter coils like you see here, I use a Denman brush or a wet detangler brush. If you have a tangle teaser, you can also use that. It works just the same. Now, this style definitely took me less than 12 minutes, and I have amazing volume and definition. I really cannot complain. Let me know if my new wash and go routine works for you. If not, let me know as well. If you have other tips that you would like to share with everyone else, definitely leave a comment down below. But other than that, I'm just separating, fluffing, picking, shaking my curls up, and that's about it. I will also show you guys a length check, as you guys can see right here, just so that you can see where my hair is right now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and listen out for my thoughts on this wash and go routine. So this is my final results. I love my hair. My curls are intact and flourishing. I have volume after I broke the gel cast. Now I still have some gel cast in my hair. I don't want to break it 100%. One, because it's hot outside. I really want my curls to last and stay intact. That's one thing about this gel that I do love. This gel really gives my hair the hold that it needs, and it really helps my wash and goes last. You can pick more, you can fluff more, you can stretch your hair out more, and you can even break the gel cast 100%. I hope that you can find some tips and some tricks, and I hope that you can find my wash and go routine useful. With that being said, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so that you are notified right away when I upload a video, and follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. I love you guys.